The 2005 Saab 9-5. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 70,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. All of the following features are included: heated seats, a split folding rear seat, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Attractive alloy wheels furnish the fenders with style and sporty flair. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Saab also prioritized safety and security by including front and side impact airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.